Here in front of me, we're going to be replacing this Mazda 3 touchscreen from a 2017-2018. There is no responsiveness on the screen except maybe down in the corner here. Now, my past video on the Mazda 3 for 2014 through 2016, I showed you guys how to replace that touchscreen, but in this one, this is an updated model, so it should be a little bit easier than the previous version for the Mazda 3. This has more of a rectangle screen than the square screen, and this is an upgrade that can easily be done if you're looking to go more of the rectangular screen, which I prefer a little bit more than the other one because it sits down lower in the dash. But if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade these, and there's really no modifications. You just pull the other one out and you can put this one in. We're going to start by taking the screws out of the back, separating the screen from the CMU. You have to unplug it. Just set that aside. There's multiple little screws across the back here. Now these screws on the back of this case are longer, so do set those aside because they're not all the same size. And then this backing should just pop off. And this should just pop off. Yep, that's loose. And then there is a ribbon cable right here. Well, you want to flip up by just getting your fingernail underneath this black bar and just pull up. And if you can see that, that's just a hinge mechanism to keep that ribbon cable in place. And then just pull out the ribbon cable just like that. Now, I should be able to just lift this off, just like that. And this is where we want to make sure that we don't have any damage or scraping or dust or debris on the LCD screen. Now you'll notice with this one, and I don't know if you can see it in the video here, but this is all starting to discolor and turn brown. And then also, for whatever reason, they use in the manufacturing process, it's more like a liquid silicone that really hasn't, dried. And this can get in behind the screen. And again, I don't know if you can see this, but it's dripped all the way down on the screen. So now what we want to do is to take off this plastic housing, and the easiest way to do it is kind of tilt it up a little bit, just like that. And then you can start to see this residue that just is not dry, and that's the cause of those drips. There is also a gasket in here that you want to make sure you keep. You can see that there, and that just sits in the groove of this plastic piece. So this is bad, we can get rid of this. This screen here is from Amazon. A lot of places sell these. You can pick them up for like $30 to $60. Have an issue. This comes with a protector. You want to take that off. And then you don't want to get your fingerprints on here, so just watch out for that. Those should snap here at the bottom. They're just little clips. Make sure those are in there. And then I don't think there's any, there's no clips up there, so it's good. And as long as the gasket is seated in its place, we can put this back, this LCD back down. So I wanted to take a look that I do want, you might want to clean yours up. It looks like I need to clean mine up here. So it's a good thing that I didn't put anything down. There is a little bit of that oil residue as well. So we'll take that and get that cleaned up. And just with a little bit of a cleaner, that looks a lot better. All right, now we can go ahead and place that. Make sure that the ribbon cable is sticking out. And it has 2 of these on each side to place them in their position. They're just like positioning posts. Now this can always be a little bit tricky getting this ribbon cable back in. It will slide in nicely just like that, and then you push down on the black bar, and that securely puts that in place. Take a look at the front. This does come with a protector on the front as well, which is nice. We'll leave that on for a bit. And then we can start putting things back together. And what we don't want to do is we don't want to put in the long screws here first. We got to wait for the cover to be put on, but I've got 2 screws here that need to go back.
Trust yourself, make it so and speak it. Choose to leave it. Look inside your mind. Look inside your mind. Alabaster flowing through. No one looks inside. No one looks inside.
All right, now I can take off the covering here for the screen. And go ahead and turn it on. And it appears everything is working. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a like. Better get subscribed and you get the latest notifications when new videos come out. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. I appreciate your support and we'll see you in the next video.